Hello everyone! Today, we will be discussing international business. International business refers to the exchange of goods, services, and financial resources between businesses and organizations from different countries. It is a vital component of the global economy, driving economic growth and connecting people across borders. One of the main challenges in international business is to understand and predict the various cultural, political, and economic factors that can impact a business's operations. These factors include differences in laws, regulations, customs, and communication styles. By successfully navigating these challenges, businesses can benefit from access to new markets, increased economies of scale, and increased innovation. International business can take many forms, such as direct exporting, international franchising, joint ventures, and outsourcing. Each of these approaches has its own advantages and disadvantages, and it is important for businesses to carefully consider their options and choose the one that best suits their specific needs and goals. To successfully engage in international business, it is important to have a strong understanding of the relevant laws, regulations, and market dynamics. This can involve researching and learning about the customs and practices of new markets, as well as building relationships with key stakeholders. In recent years, the digital age has brought about significant changes in the way businesses operate, with e-commerce, digital marketing, and online communication becoming increasingly important. These developments have further accelerated the pace of global trade and have made international business more accessible to smaller businesses and individuals. In conclusion, international business is an essential aspect of the modern global economy. By understanding the challenges and opportunities it presents, and by leveraging the latest technologies and approaches, businesses can successfully expand their operations and benefit from the vast opportunities that exist across borders.